Hi, authors. Did you know that a fantastic way to promote and sell your book is via workshops? I'm Jennifer, the traveling publisher, and I'm here with awesome author Erica Anderson, who actually came to me with that idea, and she's going to share just how she did that, why she did that, and why you should too. Hi, Erica. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
Good. Thank you so much for joining me today. So
Thank
I was so impressed, Erica, when you came to me about your awesome book, Lessons from a Lifetime of Love and Loss, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's on Amazon. We'll link in the description. But what impressed me, Erica, was you came to me. I think you were the first author ever who came to me already with the idea of doing a workshop for and with your book. And so I was super impressed, and that's all now come to fruition. So
you.
can you share with our authors here? Like how you had that idea and how it's playing out now.
So, what I believe is that when you share your story with other people and you're not afraid, it allows freedom for other people to. When I look back over the process of me writing my book, there was a lot of times where I had to sit it down because I had to go back and relive through those things. So, to get through it was a great, I feel like, accomplishment.
Yeah.
And then to top that off, people have to know there's so many people that are suffering in silence. They don't know that it's other people out there just like them, and they're looking for answers. And so, not to be selfish and to share the story opens up freedom for other people. So, just as I've had the opportunity to become whole and healed from my past, I want that to be for someone else as well. And I've been afforded an opportunity to hold a workshop at a library.
Mhm.
I called around, spoke to some people, and let them know about my book and what things, stand for. And it just so happened, it's kind of ironic that I was asked to hold the workshop for Mother's Day. I
Oh,
believe,
that's
yeah,
incredible. That's incredible timing. It feels like the universe is like, yes, you're doing the right thing. Because, of course, our listeners don't realize that you are a mother of eight, which is just phenomenal. And so, wow. So, what you have said is so wise, Erica, because you're absolutely right that, you have gone through so much in your life and have so much wisdom to share. And you know that other people have these challenges, and you know that the best way to help them is in this workshop where they can actually talk to you. And so, what was so amazing, because you came to me as your publisher with the idea from day one, we were able to create your book so that it would work seamlessly with your workshop. And so,
yeah,
if someone maybe wasn't as smart thinking ahead as you were, and they decided maybe after their book was out, oh, hey, what if I did a workshop? It's not going to be the same because you can't really reverse engineer your book after it's already out to include your workshop. But we actually created your awesome book and your
yeah,
workshop at the same time. So they
yeah.
go together perfectly. And so that's tremendous. That's tremendous. And so,
Thank you.
yeah, that's wonderful. The great thing, and you mentioned this to me already, is that at your workshop, because your workshop features your book, it's kind of going to be hopefully a requirement that people come and buy your book,
Yes,
which is
yeah,
great because it's part of the workshop. And they wouldn't have to because you have developed slides that they can write on. So they don't have to
right.
read the book, but the way we developed your workshop, it's like on page 54, you'll find this information and fill this out. So wonderful, wonderful. And so you've
Thank
already got
you.
two workshops booked. And I
Yeah,
know that when you go there, they're going to be so successful, you'll get great testimonials and recommendations to book more.
thank you. Thank you so much.
So thank you. Thank you so much. And so I really appreciate you being here today, and I wish you the best on
Thank you. I
your
appreciate
workshops.
it.
Thank you so much. So, friends, please like and subscribe for more. And again, check out Erica's book on Amazon. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.